Surprisingly, my morning scrambled eggs have garnered a lot of attention, so today I want to show you how to make scrambled eggs with milk. So here I use 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon milk, and the milk is going to help them get extra light and fluffy. So you just want to whisk that all together. And at this time, prepare all of your ingredients. So you can salt and pepper up the eggs, and I also like to freshly grate some cheddar cheese, raw organic cheddar cheese, so it's ready to melt on the eggs later. Then you want to just preheat a pan to low, melt some butter in it, about half a tablespoon of butter, and when that's all nice and melted and bubbly, but before it browns, put in those scrambled or those whisked eggs. All right, and then you need to move quickly. I didn't mean to use a fork, actually. I know a lot of people are angry at me about the fork, but this is a hex-clad pan, and I just forgot to grab a spatula. And once those eggs get cooking, you really need to keep moving them around. So using a nice non-stick pan is key for this. And like I said, just don't let them sit. Use a really low temperature, but a temperature where they're actually cooking. If it's too low, they're not going to cook and they're just going to stick to the pan. So find your happy medium temperature, and then you can go ahead and transfer these to a plate when they are done to your liking. Almost every day I eat a variation of this scrambled eggs recipe. Sometimes I don't use milk. You can find other recipes for yummy scrambled eggs at Sip Bite Go. But you'll know that I usually put cheese on top. I like to get the cheese on right away so it kind of melts into the eggs. And then using any fresh herbs in my fridge is always a plus. Today I use chives and cheddar. But other days you'll see that I use cotija cheese, which is a nice crumbly cheese. It's a Mexican cheese, and some cilantro. So mix up the flavors depending on what's in your fridge and enjoy. Cheers!